France, a country renowned for its romantic ambiance, rich history, and artistic heritage, stands as a timeless tapestry of diverse landscapes, fascinating landmarks, and charming towns. From the bustling streets of Paris to the serene French Riviera and the historical wonders of Normandy, this captivating country offers an array of experiences for every traveler. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a history buff, a nature lover, or simply seeking a magical escape, here are the top 5 best places to visit in France. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. 1. Paris, the city of lights and love. Welcome to the iconic capital of France, Paris, where romance, art, and architectural splendor converge in a harmonious dance. Admired worldwide as the city of lights, Paris offers an enchanting experience that lingers in the hearts of travelers. From the moment you set foot in this majestic city, you'll be captivated by its vibrant energy and timeless allure. At the heart of Paris stands the emblematic Eiffel Tower, an awe-inspiring iron lattice structure that punctuates the city's skyline. As you ascend to its dizzying heights, the panoramic views of the city spread out before you, creating an unforgettable memory. A romantic evening beneath the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower is a cherished experience, leaving visitors enchanted by the city's undeniable charm. Venture into the picturesque neighborhood of Montmartre, where cobblestone streets wind their way up to the iconic Basilique du Sacré-Cœur. Artists have long been drawn to this bohemian enclave, and you'll find them capturing the city's essence on canvas or in captivating performances. Stroll through the Place du Tertre, a lively square where talented painters and musicians gather to showcase their artistry. For art enthusiasts, Paris is a treasure trove of world-class museums. The Louvre, one of the largest and most famous museums globally, houses an extensive collection of art spanning thousands of years. Among its most celebrated masterpieces is the enigmatic Mona Lisa, captivating visitors with her enigmatic smile. The Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former railway station, showcases a stunning collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art, including works by Van Gogh, Monet, and Renoir. 2. The French Riviera, glamour and natural beauty. Bordered by the azure Mediterranean Sea, the French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, is a playground for the rich and famous. This stunning stretch of coastline boasts glamorous cities like Nice, Cannes, and Monaco. Indulge in the luxurious lifestyle of the French Riviera while lounging on pristine beaches, sailing along the coast, or exploring the opulent villas and chic boutiques. Don't miss the charming town of Saint-Paul-de-Vence, an artist's haven, or the medieval village of Èze perched on a hilltop, offering breathtaking views of the sea. 3. Provence, where beauty and serenity meet. Nestled in southeastern France, Provence is a picturesque region brimming with natural beauty and cultural richness. Lavender fields stretch as far as the eye can see, vineyards produce some of the world's finest wines, and charming villages seem frozen in time. Visit the historic city of Avignon with its famous Palais des Papes, Palace of the Popes. Explore the enchanting village of Gourd, and immerse yourself in the vibrant colors of the Roussillon ochre quarries. Provence's gentle pace of life, exquisite cuisine, and delightful scenery make it a must-visit destination. 4. Normandy, a historical tapestry. For history enthusiasts, the region of Normandy offers a poignant journey through time. Famous for the D-Day landing beaches of World War II, visitors can pay their respects at the American Cemetery in Colleville-sur-Mer and the Caen Memorial. Explore the charming port town of Honfleur, which inspired many Impressionist artists, and admire the stunning island abbey of Mont Saint-Michel, rising dramatically from the sea. From its medieval architecture to its picturesque landscapes, Normandy has something to offer every history lover. 5. Bordeaux, the wine capital. Wine aficionados and gourmets alike will find their heaven in Bordeaux, the heart of France's wine country. Situated in the southwestern part of the country, Bordeaux is renowned for its exceptional vineyards and winemaking tradition. Take a wine tour through the prestigious Châteaux of Saint-Emilion and Médoc, where you can sample some of the finest red wines in the world. Bordeaux's elegant architecture, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine add to the overall charm of this wine lover's paradise. France beckons travelers with its diversity, inviting them to explore its vibrant cities, embrace its natural wonders, and immerse themselves in its rich history and culture. The top 5 best places to visit in France, including Paris, the French Riviera, Provence, Normandy, and Bordeaux present an array of unforgettable experiences that will leave a lasting impression on every traveler. Whether you are seeking romance, adventure, history, or culinary delights, France promises an unforgettable journey through its myriad of captivating destinations. Bon voyage! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.